The
All
board
right.
one.
So we got the exciting one, as Jason said. At the
This would have been the same thing, it's just modded now. So.
yeah, physics building at WashU.
Kind of cool to put it side by side with the freight, though.
Yeah.
Not an arrangement you see a ton. Oh, the sound's exciting.
Oh yeah.
Phone even has an annoying thing. Slide D.
Yes. We're gonna go down to B. B for beautiful. Get the cappy out of the way now.
Sounds like a good idea.
Quite leveling, I'll give it that. This doesn't seem like a bad mod. Send this back down to 1.
There's a laser hazard out there.
Oh, there is.
You can see what the original floor indicator would have been. It sounds like there's probably a cool motor buried behind the world's loudest fan here.
Yeah.
It runs well, though.
It does. And Overmap this did a pretty good job. Hey, a very quick level. Nothing to complain about in this other than just could be a little more exciting. All right. Well, that's it.